Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So it was an absolute bull run. In fact, I didn't expect Nifty to cross 17,250 when our markets were closed yesterday. This is a problem when you have a local holiday. Now what happened yesterday was Dow Jones and US markets and European markets rallied, and in fact Dow Jones rallied more than 350 points, and Europe also rallied. All European stocks were up by more than 1.5%. So that was the main reason why we gapped up today. So we gapped up more than 250, around 150 points. We gapped up to around 17,250. Now 17,250 was a very important resistance which has been taken decisively, and we are sitting somewhere at around how much? We are sitting somewhere around let's say 17,380 levels, right? So we are sitting somewhere, and in fact as I talk to you, even US futures are all in the green. Now we'll talk about that later. Not only that, even FIIs have reduced their short position, index short position significantly, or let's say considerably. So that's also a good news. So what so this is the I thought see what today morning I told in our Telegram group. By the way, we have a very vibrant Telegram group where we discuss many things regarding market. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Now going back to the markets, now I thought RSI was hitting higher lows and price action was hitting higher highs. So I thought there might be a this divergence might work out and we might see a downward trajectory, but it didn't happen. Thanks to Reliance and Infosys, both Reliance and Infosys was the best performer. India VIX dropped in spite of market Nifty rallying more than 150 points. India VIX dropped by 4.84%. That's also good news. Just 13. Have you ever seen these levels, right? In fact, another 1 or 2%, if it goes down by 1 or 2%, we'll be more than happy, and I'm sure it will happen this week itself, right? So March was very tough. Going forward, at least let's say April will be good month for option sellers. That we really don't know. But what I think is, whether in terms of Nifty or Bank Nifty, I have some conclusion which I will show you. Now when it comes to Nifty or Bank Nifty, what is happening is, you know that FIIs have been having huge short position. Now they have decreased the short position, which means they are booking profits in their short position. You know what happened? From 18,200 we went all the way. In the month of March alone, Nifty has moved more than a swing of more than 900 or even 1,000 points. From 18,200 they brought it all the way to 16,800 levels. Now they have booked profit. They have come out of some short position, or they have covered some short, so the market has rallied. But at the same time, for the market to go on the higher side, they have to add long position, which they are not adding. We'll talk about that. I'll show you the figures also. We don't have to worry. We'll talk about that. Now with that being said, what I think is 17,500 might act as a good resistance, and in case the market is coming down, which is not going to happen because Europe is bullish, US is bullish, so it might not come down. Even if it comes down for one or other reason, 17,200 is going to be a good support. Now when I change this chart to a daily time frame, now what we are having is 5 minutes time frame. Now if I change this to a daily time frame, you can see here that there is a trend formation in the Nifty charts. So you can see here 18,900 we saw a reversal, then again it touched on January 24th 18,200 we saw a reversal, then 16th of February we saw a reversal from 18,000. Now the reversal might be somewhere around 17,500. See, I can be wrong. I'm not saying it is going to reverse. I can be wrong also. So 17,500 might act as a good resistance. That we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Not only that, 17,500, if you see, on 9th of March there was a big gap down. 9th of March Nifty closed at 17,589. Next day it opened at around 17,453. So this gap of 17,583 to 17,443, this gap which was formed on March 10th might act as a resistance which is coinciding with our trend line. So it might happen, it might not happen. It's hypothetical. I will leave it to you. You decide whether it is going to happen or not. So this is in terms of Nifty, and in terms of Bank Nifty, there is also a same trend line. Actually, the March 30th trend gap down which happened in Nifty, Nifty is yet to touch that gap down. But in terms of Bank Nifty, what is happening is Bank Nifty already touched. Now, if you see this chart on 10th of March, close was around 40,483. Now, we are already at 40,600 levels. So, Bank Nifty is performing, but Nifty is not performing. I hope Bank Nifty will also catch up if we get support from Reliance, and if we get support from Infosys, and if we get support from blue chip stocks, right? So this is in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And as I told you, US futures are all in the green. Dow Jones is more than it's flat, almost flat. S&P is flat, Nasdaq is flat, German FTSE, France is, everything is almost flat, less than 0.5%. So we'll have to wait and see how things pan out. I'm sure FIAs would have not been net buyers. They would have been net buyers, but not to a big extent, very small extent. And if you see this, if you are following us, you might know that we show this data every day. Future index short position. So if you see last 2 or 3 days, they had total of 216,000 active short contracts. That has reduced from 216,000 to around 154,000. So that is a significant decrease in short position, and that's why you know what is happening. Market has rallied. Now this is a lagging data. We really don't know what is going to happen. What would have they done today? We'll have to wait for maybe tonight or tomorrow morning for today's data to come out. At the same time, if you see the future index long position, it has also been reduced from 36,000 to around 50,000. 50% drop in index position. Still I am telling you, index short, if you see the long to short position, there are huge short position FIAs are still having. So just be careful. This might act as a trap. And it is very, very hypothetical, right? Why am I saying this is, I'm cautioning you, don't see, your market is bullish, right? You can also be bullish, but don't try to be super bullish. That is what I can say. And apart from that, I strongly believe now I have a stance, or my perspective or my outlook about the market is, market may go till 17,500, and in terms of Bank Nifty might go till what is the levels? Bank Nifty might go till around 40,000, 41,000 levels. So 41,000 might act as a resistance for Bank Nifty. In terms of other than that, if you see in terms of open interest, what we can say is Nifty is having the highest open interest at around 17,000 levels. So 17,000 can act as a good support as of now. So even today what people have done is they have written huge amount of 17,000 put option. You can see 17,200, 17,250, 17,300. So all the way they are writing 17,000. Retailers are writing large amount of put options. At the same time, smart money is also writing more number of call options. So who is going to win, whether retailers are going to win or whether the smart money is going to win? I will leave it to you. You decide whether who is going to win. It is obviously going to be smart money, which is institutions. And in terms of bank nifty, huge put rating between 40,500 all the way till 40,000. Left and right, everybody is writing put option. So that is the very dangerous zone. That is when FIIs react and they short the market. So that when they hit, when this 40,000, 40,500 levels are hit, they will run for cover and they might book some good profit. So this is in terms of open interest. I'm shooting this video much earlier. I'm sure FII data would have not yet come, and I'm sure FIIs would have not sold much, and they would have sold in very significantly less numbers. I think I have summarized everything. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday. I'll see you in yet another video tomorrow. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye.